Alright guys, welcome back to Cockpit Chatter. We've been flying for 1 hour. We're heading to Bacolod. Special thanks to SECDEA Aviation. Thank you for Vince for hooking me up. Guys, delivery kami ng 1901. Ito yung 180 horsepower na 172K. A ferry flight all the way from Plaridel going to Mati. Kasama natin si Nikko Espiritu. Hello. Magandang hapon. So si Nikko, he already flew a caravan. Currently flies Kodiak. So today, ang leg namin is Plaridel, Bacolod. We'll refuel. We'll sleep for the night. Then tomorrow morning, we'll head to Butuan. And we'll head to Mati. Buzzer beater tayo ng VFR. Yeah, tama-tama lang. Good ground speed actually. We're expected to arrive at 5:09 in the afternoon. Sunset is 5:20.
Runway 03 Bacolod, wind 040 degrees 8 knots, PNH 1006, temperature 30, visibility 10 kilometers, scattered clouds 3000, Charlie Bravo South.
This is simulated ILS but we're still on VFR. Just wanna know kung the equipment namin is up to the standards. Okay, that's Alpha. That's our taxiway Alpha. You can make it. Let's exit via Alpha.
1901 taxi, Gen A via Alpha.
Gen A via Alpha, 1901.
Thank you, brother. Sarap. Welcome to Bacolod. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-ILS ng Cessna ulit
Welcome to what's up? Welcome to Iloy, Bacolod.
Many hours later.
Received your flight plan going to Butuan.
1901, ready to taxi to active map.
901, cleared for takeoff runway 03, wind 020 at 15 knots.
Clear for takeoff, 1901. And I request right downwind departure. I controls, right.
Request approved.
01.
Alright, ready?
Controls, ready.
Let's go. Airspeed's alive. Check. Alright. 50 knots. 50 knots kasi yan naman.
1901, can turn now to right downwind.
Pilot discretion and avoid final approach runway 03. Traffic Airbus, estimate ZGOM, time 08.
On the lookout for Airbus 1901.
1 hour later.
1.5 miles to Mactan. Okay, kita mo yung weather na sa unahan. Yeah. Ano naman yan? Sa Bohol.
Taas na yun.
Taas yan, pero lulusot naman tayo dito.
Yun natin ikat.
Cebu 206, if able to send na via cover 3 Papa, report commencing takeoff.
1 hour later.
Mangat-ngat.
Ha?
Kailangan ng mangat-ngat.
Oo.
Antok din ako
Nasabi kita kinaantok tayong dalawa. Alright guys, madilim-dilim sa unahan. Chill lang yan.
Bro.
Alright, do the honors.
Yes, sir.
Thanks man, go din.
Yeah.
Eat. Alright guys, we're approaching Butuan. So, makikita mo na sa video yung Butuan. Runway 30 in use. We've been flying for 2 hours, 2 minutes. Tower 101 short final.
Roger, clear to land runway 30.
Clear to land 30, 101. Ay, lumanding pala, Brad.
Okay, na-video ko yun.
Taxi 1901, taxi east for way number 1.
East Bay 1, 1901. Thanks, man. Tower 1901, thank you so much. And call you back when we are ready for another departure.
Taxi 1901, good day, sir.
Welcome to Butuan.
Ano na parang umihi?
Oo.
Alright guys, we're lining up runway 30. Butuan, Enroute to Mati.
A few inches later.
Mati traffic 1901, 1 mile west inbound.
Bakit na ba yung terminal lang ang Mati? Yung ano? Yung pula?
Yung may pulang bubong na nag-iisa na malaki.
La mierda sa beach.
Ha?
La mierda tayo sa beach. Walang konting sightseeing na. Actually, kahit okay na eh. Meron traffic sa 19013 base for runway 32.
Ito yung beach na sikat.
Ano pangalan ng beach na yan?
Yan yung Dahican Beach.
Kaya mahangin ka. Coastal eh.
Touchdown ka pas ng dalawang solid stripes.
Solid stripes.
Pato dyan minsan eh.
No worries. Nice.
Welcome to Mati, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome to Mati, bro. Roller kami doon sa Pasig. Hello, good afternoon. Si Nikko. Nikko din yan, Brad. Si Nikko. Ganun?
Many hours later.
Sir, kaway sa vlog. Kaway sa vlog, kaway. Sir, Iñaki. Saan nalilipad ko yung aeroplano ngayon? Eto? Hi guys! Welcome to Cockpit Chatter. So, dito ngayon tayo sa Mati. Successful yung delivery flight natin. In-accept na ng owner. And interviewin natin naman ngayon yung mga students ng SECDEA Aviation. Alright guys, we have Ella here. One of the students sa SECDEA. She normally flies the Tecnam, di ba?
Sir.
So this time, niyaya ko siya will fly on the Foxbat. Ito yung lagi kong binabalik-balikan sa Mati. So this will be the first time she will fly this plane. Yeah.
Ready na.
Ready?
Yes.
So let's go inside. No, it's not.
It's not. Okay naman. Oo.
May vacuum pump? Ay wow, may vacuum pump lang pala to. Diba?
Kunin ko lang po yung headset yun.
Ay, sorry. So yan. Sobrang simple. Tapos just be aware, may yung parking brake medyo malapit sa choke.
Oh.
So baka maano mo. Plus the trim, never. Ayan. And then the brakes is here. It's not on your toes. So squeeze mo yung brakes.
Ito?
Oh, you squeeze it like a bike.
Oh,
Yan yung, yeah. This is a trim, so naka-aft trim ka ngayon. So, laruin mo na lang mamaya. Parachute, okay, this is a parachute, just in case. Just pull. Puputok na yan. Alright, with a little pull, yeah. Little
oh my god, everything's so near each other.
Yeah, yan lang. Pawisin lang talaga ako eh.
Huh? It's okay, sir. No problem. Paano po ito?
Hey, master, yan.
Both.
Naka-on yung battery natin eh, so ignite. And then click to starter.
Comp check. Can you hear me, Ella?
Yep, I'm there.
Alright.
Check.
Sige, so start taxiing. Look outside. Malanding si Nikko.
Ah, okay.
Ito ang lagi kong binabalik-balikan sa
Sama.
Final 414. 60 rotate. Okay. This is the flaps. By the way, tignan mo. So yung flaps 10, if I put it like flaps 20 yan, di ba? Flaps 10 first notch. So ngayon naka-takeoff tayo. Ang weird sa flaps nito, pag fin-laps up ko, magpi-pitch up siya. Pag fin-laps down ko, magpi-pitch. So they've landed.
Yeah.
So after they passed us, backtrack tayo.
Okay.
Nikko, pwede ka pumasok dyan sa Bravo. Ay, sa Alpha para giveaway na lang kami sa'yo. Roger, thank you. Right. 22990, lighting up runway 14.
Why hold the brakes first and then...
No, release the brakes, slowly advance to full power, alright?
So this is slowly...
Yeah. Okay, pitch down konti, 60. Very good, pitch down konti. Accelerate to 7. Sige lang, accelerate 60. RPS 22990 passing 1,000 and we'll go to Bada Bay for some air work. How many hours ka na ngayon, Ella?
Mag 20 hours kasi.
Oh, wow! What made you choose SECDEA Aviation?
Actually, gusto ko
talaga flying since a long time ago. Yung alam mo nga na parang you have choices as a kid what you want to do when you grow up.
Oh,
Kind of
wow.
thing. So it was like either I was gonna be a journalist, a pilot, or a news anchor.
Oh.
Like, it was one of the few things I wanted to do. Why I'm in SECDEA was because my parents found out na parang, oh, there's a school here in Mindanao na flying. Luckily, like, we had one friend who featured them in sort of like a vlog also. Actually, this year, because of COVID, there was so much time to do. And my parents like, suddenly like, oh, go to Mati. Okay, akala ko, sort of, family vacation lang. Yung punta namin dito, diniretso ako dito sa SECDEA, enroll ka agad.
Wow.
Like, legit, na parang, oh my God. And then, dapat 1 week, I packed up all my stuff, came here. It was so sudden.
Ayos yung cool ng parents mo, ha?
Like, legit. The things na maganda talaga ang flying sa Mati, ang daming mga makita mo na sceneries.
Ang ganda dito, di ba?
Oo.
Isa sa mga pinapalik-balikan ko dito yung scenery.
Oo.
Like yung pag-takeoff mo.
Pero like, honestly, when I first came to Mati, I was like, okay, what am I supposed to do in Mati? There's nothing in Mati. And then pagdating ko dito, oh my God, ang daming pala magawa.
So how was your solo here?
Exciting. Tatlo kaming babae for solo.
Okay.
And then on that day, ako lang yung hindi na-release.
Okay.
So the next day, i-recheck naman ako. And then yung nangyari, I was like, oh sige, i-release ka na. Nung na-release ako, parang, at first na parang, oh my God, I'm released. Kaya ko ba ito? Kaya naman. I was like, gusto ko talaga ito. So yung nag-fly ko solo, iba kasi yung feeling, di ba, na parang ikaw na lang sa cockpit.
Masarap yung feeling na yun, ha?
Hindi naman ako natakot or anything. It was more like everything came to place. You knew what you were doing. I knew what I was doing.
And you were excited about it.
I was.
Galing. Pag okay yung foundation mo, matik yan. You look forward for the day you'll solo.
Oo.
Yan. So guys, this is Ella's first time on a new type. Galing! Alam mo na yung ginagawa pa.
Actually, one of the reasons din na I decided to take flight was because yung family talaga namin, we love to travel. It's more on like for business kasi export kami.
Oh, plug mo yung business mo. If they need export, the export stuff, what's the name of your business?
Sige. So, our company is called Tree Life Organic. So, yung what we produce is organic products from coconut. Mga coconut byproducts. So, coconut sugar, virgin coconut oil.
Wow!
So, yun.
I'm going back again to keto diet. More of maraming mga virgin coconut oils.
Actually, you know what? Bago lang din kami nag-keto diet ng mom ko. I lost 10 kg. Yung mom ko,
Mabilis,
bago
diba?
lang.
So, ano na-i-enjoy mo sa SECDEA Aviation?
One of the best things about SECDEA was like the fact that we can fly every day. Yung iba ko kasi ng mga kasama, sina Rizal, Chezka, meron rin sila mga friends sa ibang flight school. And then sometimes parang how many times a month lang sila makalipad and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Parang basta may schedule.
Lipad.
Every day. Oh,
diba?
lipad. Kung may kaya, lipad.
Plus limited students kayo, diba?
Limited students kami.
So, which makes learning easier.
Which makes learning easier, which makes you like, so if a student has questions, meron naman tayong mga instructors to answer those questions.
How are the instructors? How did they teach you?
Actually, maganda nga sa instructors kasi they're very open to all our questions. Hindi naman sila parang, okay, busy kami, hindi kami makasagot.
Okay.
Kami after our flight, diretso kami magtanong, Sir, ito yung experience namin, anong masabi mo? So, they also give us their input with regards to parang our flying. Kasi ang dami na din nilang experiences So, parang to us, it's like sort of an eye-opener din na parang, okay, they give us situationals where like, okay, nangyari ito sa amin, so anong gawin mo? Parang to improve our judgment. Kasi that's one of the things they said na parang what we're trying to do is yung judgment ninyo. Kung mangyari ito, what do you do? Which is one of the most important things for a pilot, diba?
Yung aeronautical decision making.
As of now, parang more on radio works for cross-country.
Yeah, you really have to do that kasi marami din ako nakalipad na nahihirapan sa radio work.
Okay.
Ay, ikaw na radio, ha? Okay. Galing. I really like how you can fly. Alam mo yung gagawin mo. Yung iba, hirap sila how to control their speed, how to control their altitude.
Mati traffic advisory, RPS 22990, 1 mile southwest of this station, 1,500 feet, will be joining mid downwind ledge runway 14, Cessna.
Just fly it all the way to the parking lot. At 60, madami ka pang energy. Believe me, very good. I like this profile. Very good how you maintain. I'll put down the flaps now. Flaps too. was your first different type?
It's so fun.
Diba? Okay, di ba tayo ulit?
Ay, sorry.
Sige.
Alright! Welcome back!
Sir, photo!
Photo!
1, 2, 3.
Ayun! Ito natin Nikko, no? Yes, sir! Kapag Christmas party tayo. Si Lance. Ayan. Okay, so now we're gonna pull this out. This is you pull this out. Wait, wait.
The real one? How much?
Level, you're near that. Roll to the left, Things level, roll left, roll.
It's okay, see? I got it now. I don't need to roll.
Cockpit Chatter.
Exploring destinations one runway at a time.